Now, these images you are watching right now was created by new Google Nano Banana AI. Yes, with this new Google Nano Banana AI, you can create a cinematic realistic image. Right now, Google Nano Banana AI is taking over from Photoshop because a lot of people right now are using this new AI to edit their photos. In fact, they are using this new AI to do any type of photos editing they want. So in this video, I'm also going to show you how you can start using new Google Nano Banana AI for free, and you don't need to pay for anything. It's free. And what I like about this new AI is that it's going to work for you perfectly the way you give him a prompt. Immediately you give him a prompt, it's going to work perfectly the way you give him a prompt. It's not like other AI tools that when you give them a prompt, they will change your face or they will change. No, this new AI don't change your face, it works perfectly. So in this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step method which you can use and start using this new Google AI and be editing your images, and also how you can use them to make videos for yourself. So let's get started. Let me go and show you how you can start using this new AI and start editing your photos without visiting any Photoshop, without visiting any photo studio to take your pictures. Now let's get started. And to get started, all we have to do is to head over to our Google Play Store or your Apple Store, and you go and download this app called Google Gemini. When you download the app, and if you already have the app on your phone before, all you just have to do is just to click on open. And when you click on open, it's going to bring you to a new interface like this. And the next thing you are going to do, make sure you tap on this image you are seeing with a banana. When you tap on it, it start already switched to image banana. Now the next thing you are going to do is to start generating your images. Now to get started, let me upload image of myself and show you guys how it works. Now this image you are seeing right here was the image of myself which I used for a thumbnail. This thumbnail I show you guys 1 minute ago. Now all I have to do is just to set change the outfit to a, let's say, red tuxedo. Now let's click on continue. Just a prompt. Now this is what you got. As you can see, without changing the face, without changing anything, consistency character, without changing anything. Now you guys can see this is what we got right now. This is so amazing. Now you can click this and save it to your phone. Now I can also try another example for you guys so that you guys will see. I can also change this cloth again to another cloth, or all I will do right now, let me upload another image and show you guys another amazing example. Now let me upload this image of this guy on a street is putting on a cloth. Now make this model to wear blue suit. Let's click on continue and see what it's going to give to us. Now as you guys can see, this is the image I uploaded, and let's give it some minutes so that it will do something amazing for us. Try this with your own image and it will do it for you. Guys, how did you see this? Without changing anything, as you guys can see, still consistency. Now as you guys can see, this is the image it generated for us right now. You can also save this. Now as you guys can see, now another thing, let's use another example again. Let's upload the image, another image again. Now let's upload another image again. Let me upload image of myself. This is the image of myself. Let me create something amazing. I have a prompt which I draft out from my ChatGPT. Let me copy the prompt and put it here. Now I've copied the prompt. Now this is the prompt. Now let me click on continue so that it will generate the image for us. This is my own image. I use my image so that let's see how it's going to do this for us. Let's see how it's going to do this for us. Now, this is our result. This is our result, as you can see, and it's still maintaining my face, as you can see. Even it changed everything, just the way I prompted. As you can see, it still maintain my face. Now, this is it. As you guys can see, this is it. As you guys can see, this is it. It can do it very amazing for you. All you just have to do is just to get a logo. This is just an example. You can get a logo and it's going to do it perfect for you. Now, another thing I can also show you guys right now is I want to show you guys one example again before I show you how you can make this as an video, because I know a lot of people are asking me question, how did I create those videos using these images I generated here? But don't worry, I'm going to show you guys how you can do that to turn this into an video. But before I do that, let me search one example for you guys again. Let me upload an image again. Let me upload an image of this lady and this cream. No, this ladies and this cream. Let me upload the image. I will make like an advert of this image, just the way you see people making it. Now, all we have to do, you will set a woman, let's say, make this model on image 1 to carry my product on image 2 in a white background. Let's click on continue and see the result and see what it's going to give to us. I'll just give you some minutes. Now, this is the result you have gave to us. As you can see, this is the image you gave to him. Now, as you can see, this is the result. This is the result. This is so amazing. So you can also save this and use it later. Now, I know the question most of you are asking is that how can you make this as a video? How can you turn it to a video? Don't worry, you can use any type of image to video AI you like. But for the sake of this video, I'll be using Grok AI, which you can use it for free. So now let's try Grok AI and change this to a video in just less than 1 minute. Now, this is Grok AI. A lot of you who have been following my channel before, I've talked about Grok AI. So if you don't know how to access Grok, so if you don't know how to use Grok, so if you don't know how to access Grok AI, or you don't know how to use this AI, you can check my previous video and you are going to see it there. Now let's upload this last image we created moments ago, and after we upload it, we are going to give it a minute and it's going to convert it to an image, to a video for us, which you are going to love. It's going to convert it so amazing, which you are going to like. Now let's just give it a minute. Don't forget to like this video, comment. Now you have changed it to a video for us, as you guys can see. Now, as you guys can see, I've changed it to a video for us, as you guys can see. Now we can also save this video right now. Now you have download. We can also try another image again. Let's upload another image again. Let's upload this image. This image you are seeing here. Let's see what is going to do it for us. How is going to do it. Now let's just give this a minute, and you are going to see how amazing it's going to make this right now. Let's just give it some minutes. Now it has successfully created. Now as you guys can see, how it make this, so this is how you can also change your image from image to video using Grok AI. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.